Hello, here let's show you how to assemble the cabinet step by step. First of all, the tools. So while you assemble the cabinet, what you need is either a manual screwdriver or an electrical screwdriver. Second is hardwares. These hardwares are the 3-in-1 system that's used to assemble the basic structure of the cabinet. These four accessories are for the adjustable shelf or removable shelf. These three plastic stuffs and the screws that are used to assemble the adjustable feet. Third thing is the panels. Total there will be 7 panels to form a basic cabinet.